Imagine a workout that's easy on your joints, builds your strength, improves your heart health, and feels like a refreshing escape from daily stress. Sounds perfect, right? That's swimming. Whether you're looking to lose weight, tone up, or simply improve your overall well-being, swimming offers an incredible range of benefits. In this guide, we'll dive into why swimming might just be the ultimate fitness activity for everyone. Benefit 1. A full-body workout. Swimming is one of the best full-body workouts you can do. Every stroke engages multiple muscle groups, from your legs and core to your arms and shoulders. Even your back muscles get involved. The resistance of water adds an extra challenge, helping you build strength and endurance simultaneously. And the best part? It doesn't feel like a chore because you're gliding through water, not pounding on pavement. Benefit 2. Low impact and joint friendly. Unlike running or weightlifting, swimming is gentle on your joints. The buoyancy of water supports your body weight, reducing the impact on your knees, hips, and spine. This makes it an excellent option for people with arthritis, joint pain, or those recovering from injuries. It's also a great way for older adults to stay active without risking strain or injury. Benefit 3. Cardiovascular health. Swimming is an incredible cardio workout. It gets your heart pumping and improves your lung capacity, all while being gentle on your body. Regular swimming can lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and reduce your risk of heart disease. Plus, the rhythmic breathing involved in swimming helps strengthen your respiratory system, making it a fantastic exercise for overall cardiovascular health. Benefit 4. B. Burns calories and aids weight loss. If you're looking to shed some extra pounds, swimming is a great option. It's a calorie-torching activity that can burn anywhere from 400 to 700 calories per hour, depending on your intensity and swimming style. The combination of cardio and strength building makes swimming highly efficient for weight loss and muscle toning. Benefit 5. Improves mental health. Swimming isn't just good for your body, it's great for your mind too. The soothing effect of water and the rhythmic nature of swimming can help reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. Many swimmers describe the activity as meditative, providing a sense of calm and focus. Plus, the endorphin boost from exercise can leave you feeling happier and more energized. Benefit 6. Builds flexibility and coordination. Swimming helps improve flexibility and coordination. The stretching and reaching motions involved in strokes like freestyle and backstroke lengthen your muscles, enhancing flexibility. At the same time, coordinating your arm movements, leg kicks, and breathing helps sharpen your motor skills and balance. Benefit 7. Suitable for all fitness levels. One of the best things about swimming is its accessibility. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, swimming can be adapted to suit your fitness level. You can start with simple laps at your own pace and gradually increase intensity as you improve. And with various strokes to choose from, like freestyle, breaststroke, butterfly, or backstroke, you'll never get bored. Swimming isn't just a workout, it's a lifestyle. From building strength and endurance to improving your mental health, swimming offers a wide array of benefits for your body and mind. Whether you're splashing around in a pool or gliding through open water, every stroke brings you closer to better health. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of swimming and discover the fitness transformation you've been looking for.